Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the system restore failed while copying, restoring, or mounting the registry. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in services. Best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the volume shadow copy service. Double click on it. If service status is stopped, you want to start it, and you want to make sure startup type is set to manual. Select apply and OK. And now you can attempt to launch a system restore application, and that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. You can also attempt to access system restore in recovery mode as well. So if you were to open up the search menu, select the power icon, and now hold down the shift key on your keyboard, and then left click on restart again while holding down the shift key. And where it says choose an option, select where it says troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options, select advanced options again, and then you can select system restore, use a restore point recorded on your PC to restore Windows. Go ahead and select that, and then you would proceed with the system restore application through there. So pretty straightforward process on that. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.